Hi guys, welcome back to Fs19 and also back to the Yukon River Valley map. We were on the verge here of getting our sawmill up and running, and that's what we are doing at the moment. We are mining coal. This is going to be part 5. So we have bought our Volvo and we have bought our Leaper mining truck. Yeah, so let's continue on to load the coal into the truck. I think people are gonna like this a lot. I think there's plenty of coal on this map, so we're not gonna run out of coal anytime soon. I'm gonna make a screenshot here in a minute. So let's I think that's gonna be a nice screenshot here. I'm gonna do a screenshot here. Alright. So let's dump this coal into the truck. Alright, let's jump in here. See how full our truck is. Yeah, 53% full. That is 53,397. So we have to probably go back and forth here about 8 times. It's going to be 8 loads of coal for the sawmill. I like these mods a lot. I like these mods. They're nice and big. They call them giant mods because they're so huge. I have worked with these type of mods back in Fs 17 and Fs 15 because I also have been playing on mining maps back in the days. Yeah. Alright. The next load. Let's get another bucket. So let's see how full our mining truck is. Yeah, one more bucket load and we are good to go, guys. Alright. Let's park it here. Where do we have to go? We're gonna have to probably go that way here. We need to go up to our sawmill on top of the map. So let's see how we get there. We have down here 100%, which is 100,000 liters of coal. Alright. Let's no, we're gonna stick on this part of the road here. We're gonna what is that? Is that dirt? Looks like dirt. You can buy that dirt rich there and collect your dirt with your excavator. Alright. Alright, nice sunny day on the map here. Change the view here and drive from the inside here, in cab. That is also a dirt ridge, I think. I hope we have taken the right road here. Otherwise, we may have to turn back and yeah, I think we're gonna have to turn back because we are going in circles here. We are going in circles, so we are gonna go back to the coal mine and see if we can take another route. There's your dirt ridge. Or can we go down there as well? Yeah, this is going to be a long trip. So we have to take this road here. Yeah, these are going to be long trips back and forth. There's a bridge coming up. We might have to cross the bridge. We're not gonna. That is that a bridge down there? Let's see what happens when we. No, we need to take another route. I'm kind of lost here on this map, guys. Let's see where this road takes us. Yeah, it looks like that we need to turn back. Yeah, it's not that easy to find your way around on this map, guys. Might have to go through here. Yeah, we need to get over what is down in there. Let's see what's down there. Yeah, there's no point in driving through the water here because we are gonna sink our truck. So we need to find another way back to the sawmill, which is not going to be easy. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys, until I find a way back to the sawmill. Thanks for watching, guys, and once I have found my way back to the sawmill here, we shall be back. So let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope you have liked the coal mining part with the huge Leopard truck and that Volvo loader. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.